creamy, sweet and delicious Caribbean style banana punch. Here's how to make this super quick recipe. So we're going to be chucking everything in a blender. So first of all, we start off by chucking in some bananas. You want to use 2 to 3 bananas. The more bananas you use, the thicker this milkshake is going to be. Then I add 2 cups of milk. I add about half a can of condensed milk, and this adds a lot of sweetness. Then I add some vanilla extract, some nutmeg and some cinnamon. All you want to do now is blend this down until it is nice and smooth. During the blending process, I actually chucked in 1 more banana because I decided I wanted it to just be a bit more thick. Once you have blended it down, you are done. It is actually just that simple. So you'll see that I didn't add any extra sugar, and this is because the condensed milk is so sweet that you don't need it. And you can store this in the fridge, serve it with ice, serve it for your guests, serve it for yourself. This recipe will be done in less than 10 minutes, and it's a perfect recipe if you love a good milkshake and if you love bananas as well. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.